Hey everyone, it's Mark, and today we're taking a look at a classic Sovereign Citizen clip. Today we're taking a look at the Sovereign Citizen who took on P. Barnes. Now I know I covered this video on the channel previously, but today we're taking a look at the extended version of this video. So with that being said, let's roll the video.
And I'd just like to know where your warrant is.
It's clearly posted on the entrance building.
What? Clearly posted that I have to forfeit my right to be free from unreasonable search and seizure?
Coming into this building.
Yeah, every person is. I'm not a person.
For those who don't know, this Sovereign Citizen is in court over a minor bicycle violation, so of course, he decides to make things a lot worse for himself.
I'm a man. I'm not subject to your jurisdiction, and the court has already confirmed that. I'm here for one purpose. All right.
You can submit or you can leave.
Well, I'll allow you to search, but, I mean...
That has to go through the x-ray machine if you want to come in this building.
What does?
That folder.
That's fine. I mean,
what we're trying
I'll
to
do
get
that,
you to do.
but you will be charged a bill. You will be served a bill.
Send me a bill.
All right, can I have your name for the record, please?
And when you come through here, you will be patted down.
Will you state your name for the record, please?
Pete Barnes.
Pete Barnes, thank you.
Yes.
And you accept full commercial liability?
No, I accept nothing.
All right, well,
If you want to come in, you know the ground rules, that's it. Otherwise, you're staying right there.
well, you guys can search it, but you're going to be billed for it.
And you will be searched.
That's fine. I don't have any weapons.
Okay.
I didn't come here to raise a ruckus, but I did come here to exercise my rights and to make sure that the court does not try to impose anything that I don't consent to.
Your camera has to go through the machine.
Put your camera through.
I don't think that's going to work.
Everything has to go through the machine, I'm sorry.
All right, well, if it...
Put it in a bucket. Put it in a bucket.
You can put it in a briefcase.
Well, I'll put it in the bucket. Huh?
That's good. That's good.
So there are no cameras in the courtroom.
Excuse me?
There are no cameras in the courtroom.
Yeah, there is.
No, you have to put that away.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
Under what authority?
You have to have a court order from a judge before you can have a camera in the courtroom.
Okay, well, I'm going to capture
No, you can't.
this on video.
You got to turn it off.
It's for both of our protection.
Well, you have to turn it off.
No, thank you.
Then you have to leave the courtroom.
No, thank you.
Of course, he's refusing to turn off his camera in the courtroom after being told he has to because he thinks he's above the law.
This is your notice, so you need to keep this.
I mean, if you're not afraid of doing anything wrong, then you shouldn't be afraid of being videotaped, right?
No, it's like you can't have. You have to submit.
Yeah, but that's an administrative order. I'm not subject to that. That's for persons.
Yeah,
I'm not a person. And you have no authority to
Are you here for
tell
8
me.
a.m.s or
For what?
what time's your court?
8 o'clock.
Okay, that's a friend. Shut the camera off now.
No, thank you. I do not consent to you touching me or seizing my property, so you need to
Shut
back
the
up.
camera off now.
I'm not doing anything wrong.
Yes, you
I'm
are.
holding you accountable because you're about to overstep your bounds. That's what you're about to do. And I'm giving
outside.
you, no thank you.
Step
I will say
outside
right
now.
here, if you have anything to say to me, say it for the
Step
public
outside
record.
now.
No thank you.
We're not going to disturb the court. Step outside.
I'm not disturbing the court, you are.
102. He's refusing to leave the courtroom.
You are.
I walked on.
Go tonight.
I'm not like everybody else here. I'm not a person. I'm a man, so I have rights that you cannot violate without, legal repercussions or lawful repercussions.
In my opinion, the judge in the courtroom should just hold him in contempt of court for refusing to follow court orders.
It has to be treated.
102. He's
As if I have
refusing to
rights.
leave the courtroom and refusing to shut the camera off at this time.
You want me to show you the piece of paper where the court agrees that I can capture on video?
Let me just step outside.
Yeah, I'm going with everybody else, so I've got witnesses. Where are we going now? Howdy.
You can,
Authority that they do not have.
In case they do something.
Yeah, by the way, the guy in the teal shirt, he's like, yeah, we got permission from the judge. We will tase him if he doesn't report.
Yeah, because I'm posing a threat. Tase me, you're going to get sued.
Once again, another terrible prediction by a sovereign citizen.
Plus, it's not like I haven't been tased before.
what's your first and last name?
I don't have a last name.
You don't have a last name?
No.
What's your first name?
I don't have a first name either. I've got a name. My name is Robert. You can call me Robert.
Oh, wow.
I'm not a person. See, you deal here with Admiralty Maritime Jurisdiction, which deals with persons, which I am not.
What are you? Are you human?
I'm a man.
You're human?
I'm a man, yes.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
No.
You're not a U.S. citizen.
I was not born in Washington, D.C. or any territory of the under federal jurisdiction, so no, I'm not a U.S.
Were
citizen.
you born in the United States of America and any of the states?
I was born in America. Yes, I'm a state citizen of one of the several states.
There's more than 7.
One of the several?
Which state?
Idaho?
Idaho. Can I see your Idaho state license?
No, I don't have one.
You don't have one?
My person does, but I don't. And I don't wish to create joinder with you.
All right. And if you want to just...
Can I get your name, please? E. Smith, thank you. Are you a bailiff or are you a prosecutor? Oh, you're probably a bailiff. You got the air thing in, huh?
Come on in, folks. Are you here for 8:30?
Yes.
Okay. I'm not starting up yet, but you can have a seat on the bench here if you're fine. If anyone could kind of speak up and get a seat.
I'm going to go in and speak with the prosecutor. Excuse me.
Camera.
Excuse me. You're blocking my freedom of movement.
I am.
All right. Well, P. Barnes, you just admitted to me that you're violating my rights.
No, I'm not. You can't come in with the camera.
Well, you're violating my rights. And this is also freedom of the
People out
press.
from behind you.
This is also freedom of the press. I mean, I don't know what the hell law book you're reading, man, but it doesn't apply to me.
You leave the camera with your mother outside the courtroom and you can come in.
You are not God. You have no jurisdiction over me.
God's not worried about cameras, sir. I am.
All right. Well, why are you worried about cameras? Because you want to do something
Against the
wrong?
rules.
Because you want to do something wrong? Because if it's against the rules, that means it's because somebody intends on wronging somebody else. Because they're afraid of being held accountable. P. Barnes.
It's a nice speech, but you're still not coming in.
Well, I mean, I don't have to go in because you can't even issue a warrant for me.
Might as well leave.
Well, no, I'm going to go in there and I'm going to speak with the
You
prosecutor.
can go in there without the camera.
Well, please step aside. I'm going in.
No, you're not going in.
Don't touch me.
And now the moment we've been waiting for.
You're not going in, sir.
Let the record show that you just battered me
Step back.
and you're using... Stop, please. I'm not doing anything wrong. Hey, you know what? You guys are really overstepping your bounds right now.
Put the cuffs on him.
Put the cuffs on. What are you arresting me for?
I hope you all enjoyed this extended version of the Sovereign Citizen taking on P. Barnes. Thank you all for watching, and be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.